Indian skipper Virat Kohli had a disappointing outing on his return to international cricket on Friday. He was dismissed on a duck in the ongoing second test against New Zealand. The dismissal took place in the 30th over when spinner Ajaz Patel trapped the Indian skipper LBW and went for a big shout. The on-field umpire declared Kohli out, but the Indian captain was quick to go for a review. Controversy erupted after the replays showed that the ball had clearly touched the bat and the pad at the same time. Due to no conclusive evidence, the on-field umpire's decision was upheld by the third umpire, who deemed Kohli out after the DRS. Kohli had a brief chat with the umpire before walking back as he looked upset over failing to open his dismissal.